Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360. This prevents shocks and data loss. Next, flip the console onto a soft towel so ports won't scratch. Use a T8 or T10 Torx and a flat pry tool. These give control without damage. Once done, remove the faceplate clips gently, working from the corner toward the tray to expose the screws. Make sure to collect screws in a container so nothing gets lost while you continue. Now you focus on the middle steps. Remove the screws holding the bezels and the small screws securing the disc tray assembly. You'll unclip the metal or plastic tray frame. Do this slowly so tabs don't snap. Carefully tilt the tray forward and check for ribbon cables. Detach any connectors by lifting the latch, not by pulling the cable. Once free, slide the tray straight out to avoid catching gears. Make sure alignment tabs stay visible for reassembly. Finish by fully separating the tray from the chassis and inspecting gears, rails, and the laser assembly for debris or broken parts. Replace any damaged pieces. Reassembly is the reverse order. Reconnect ribbon cables, seat alignment tabs, and torque screws snugly, but not over-tightened. If the tray resists, use the manual eject hole with a paperclip or verify the power connector. Sometimes the unit needs a brief power reset to release the mechanism. This single troubleshooting tip solves most common jams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.